Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today's tutorial is gonna be a tutorial about how to edit view only and comment only files on Google Sheets. So the first thing you have to do, open your Google Sheet, and after you open it, you just need to find which documents that you want to set the access. And here is the document that I want to show to you. So after you choose the documents, you can also open it to check either the documents is just correct, and whenever it's correct, you can jump into this three small dots, and in this three small dot you can just go click share and export. And now in this send and share and export part, you can choose into the manage access. In this manage access, you can change from restricted here into anyone with a link. And now whenever you already change from restricted into anyone with a link, there will be another option that you can choose here. You just need to click it. So if you want to make the files only can view by other people, you just need to go click viewer and go click copy the link and send the link into your friends or people that you want to give. And whenever you only want the people who receive this document comment on these documents without edit or change the information, you can change from viewer into commenter. And you just need to copy the link and send the link into someone else. So that's the way how to edit view only and comment only files in a Google Sheet. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.